Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Charizard. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas Charizard, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come up and down for the eyebrow. Next, we're going to curve a line here, and then we're going to bring a line down. I'm going to color in a little oval. Then I'm going to make a line down and a line down here. Next, for the top of the eye, we're just going to go up and down. Next, over here, I'm going to make the nose. We're going to go up and down, up and down. And then a little line here. We're going to make a little line that comes down, a little line that comes down. Then we're going to curve this down and up like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line out. We're going to come up and down. Then we're going to curve it over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. For the mouth, we're just going to curve this line down and come over. Then we're going to bring this up, and I'll leave a little bit of space, and we'll bring it down and leave a little space. For the tongue, let's draw a line that's going to come down. And then another line that's going to kind of go up and down. And we're going to curve it back here. I'm going to make a little bump here and a little bump here for some teeth. Same thing here. We're going to go down and up, down and up. Let's go down and up for the bottom. Then we're going to bring this up and around here for the jaw. Next, right here, I'm going to bring this line back. We're going to go down and curve it back for one of his horns. Next, we're going to bring this line up and over to here for the hat. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down. And we're going to go up and down here. Let's go ahead and make a little curve at the end, kind of like a little circle shape. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down for the neck. And then a line here that's going to curve around for the neck. Then starting here, we're going to curve a line that's going to come down and up. And then right here, we're going to bring a line down here. We'll make a little line that's going to come out and then down to start the arm. Then we'll come up and over. Then we want to come down. I want to curve this line around and then down like this. We're going to curve this line up, and then we're going to go out and kind of curve this line around and connect it. Then let's bring a little line down, but we're going to leave space there. Next, right here, I'm going to curve a line. It's going to come down and up, and then connect to here for the leg. And we're going to do the same thing here, just kind of down and then up here. I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down and up for the foot. And same thing here, we're just going to go down and then up. I'm going to draw 1, 2, and then 3 little lines for claws. Same thing here, 1, 2, and 3. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and down. We're going to come around and up for one of the fingers. Then we're going to go down and then up here. And we're going to curve this here. Next, we're going to curl this around. We're going to go up and bring it over. Next, right here for his stomach, let's just draw a big oval shape like that. And then right here on his neck, let's curve this line up. And then let's draw another little line that's going to curve here. Then let's make a little wavy line like this, and then another one like this, and connect it. Then we can make some little lines right on the end. And then I'm just going to make kind of like a little wiggly line pattern for some design on our scarf here. Next, for the wing, let's bring this line up like this. We'll make a little rectangle shape on it. Then let's bring this out and down here. We're going to just redraw this shape by making this exact same line down to here. Now for the detail, we're going to come up and down, and then up and down to connect. Let's make another wing over here. We're just going to bring this up to, and then kind of like the rectangle shape. Then we're going to bring this out with like a curve. Bring this back up and down. Just kind of redrew that same line. But then on this side, we're just going to go up and down, and then up and down to here. Then we can add 1, 2, and 3 lines, and then 1 and 2 lines in here. Now let's make his tail. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and we're going to come up and out like this. Then right here, we're just going to kind of follow that same curve and then make it nice and pointy at the end. Right here, I'm just going to draw a little line here just to kind of show some difference in color. And then we're going to make some fire on here. We're just going to make this kind of jagged and wavy all around here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up in like a hook. Then we're going to curve this around and back. Then we're going to make this line come up, over, and then down. For a little candy cane, and then we'll add some little curve lines coming right around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Christmas Charizard. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.